Understanding the phrase, bowling league. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and interesting English phrase, bowling league. Whether you're a language enthusiast or just curious about English expressions, this video is for you. Let's roll into the world of bowling leagues and understand what they really mean. A bowling league is a group of teams that compete against each other in the sport of bowling. This section explains how a typical bowling league operates, the structure of the teams, and the common rules followed in these leagues. It's not just about throwing a ball. It's about teamwork, competition, and regular participation. Here, we explore the history of bowling leagues. Did you know bowling leagues have been around for decades? This part of the video uncovers the roots of this social sporting phenomenon and how it has evolved over time, becoming a popular pastime in many countries. This section is all about the lingo. We'll introduce terms like strike, spare, and alley. Understanding these terms is essential for anyone interested in the world of bowling leagues. We'll provide clear examples to make these terms easy to remember. Bowling leagues are more than just a sport. They are a part of culture in many communities. In this section, we discuss how bowling leagues bring people together, fostering a sense of community and belonging. We'll look at examples from different parts of the world where bowling leagues play a significant role in social life. We hope this video has provided a comprehensive understanding of bowling leagues. They're not just about the sport, but also about community, history, and language. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed learning about this unique and engaging aspect of English language and culture.